the beach and have photos.
Oh, beach. Oh, beach. Here's a what call lifeguard house. Oh, don't the wind blow to daddy's face, okay? Hey, don't blow in my face, Bella. Throw it over there. Okay, look at these clouds. These clouds are clumpy and they haphazardly shaped, all kinds of shape. So they're regular clouds over there too. Over there too. There too.